In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to sign out in Zoho Mail. Signing out of your email account might seem like a very small action, but it's actually an important habit, especially if you often use shared computers or switch between multiple accounts. In this walkthrough, I'll guide you through exactly where to click, what to look for, and a few things to keep in mind so you can log out safely and confidently every time. Let's start from the beginning. First, open your web browser and go to the Zoho Mail website. You can do this by typing the Zoho Mail address into your browser's address bar and pressing enter. If you're already logged in, you'll be taken straight into your mailbox, usually landing on your inbox, sent folder, or whatever folder you were viewing last. If you're not logged in yet, go ahead and sign in with your usual credentials, and once you're in, we'll move on to the sign out process. Now that you're inside Zoho Mail, look towards the upper right-hand corner of the screen. This is where your profile icon is located. The icon might show your initials, a small avatar, or a generic user symbol, depending on how your account is set up. This area is your personal menu, and it's where Zoho keeps options related specifically to your account, including the sign out option. Move your mouse to that top right profile icon and click on it once. When you click, a small drop-down menu will appear. This menu usually shows your name or email address, links to account settings, and most importantly for this video, the option to sign out. In that drop-down, look for the option labeled Sign Out. It's typically near the bottom of the menu. Click on Sign Out. As soon as you do this, Zoho Mail will log you out of your current session. You should either be redirected to the Zoho Mail sign-in page or to a confirmation screen letting you know that you've successfully signed out. At this point, you're safely logged out. If you are on a shared or public computer, it's a good idea to also close the browser tab or window, just to make sure no one can go back into your session. And if you ever need to log back in, simply return to the Zoho Mail page and enter your login details again. That's all there is